trailblazer in the medical field. Dr. Ellen Sayet was the first female physician at Lee Health. 50 years later, the hospital system has more than 200 physicians who are women.
Room and I see all these women, and a lot, not just a couple.
Continuing with our Women's History Month coverage, Wink News anchor Taylor Petras spoke with the doctor about her experience and how far women have come in the medical field since then.
Lee Memorial Hospital looks a lot different today compared to when Dr. Ellen Sayet first walked the halls more than 50 years ago. In 1973, Dr. Sayet was hired as Lee Health's first female physician.
I trained in Miami, and there was a big sign on one of the office doors, "We need physicians in Lee County."
During her 11 years with the hospital system, she helped establish Lee Memorial's first oncology unit.
There was no other oncologist in the county. Everybody was very nice to me. Everyone's asked me this recently. I was welcomed by the other physicians. Of course, there weren't many back then.
Now Lee Health employs more than 200 female physicians. Dr. Sayet says it amazes her to see these successful women balance their work and families.
In the old days, that just didn't exist because there weren't that many people that did what you did, so you didn't have the coverage that you needed.
Dr. Sayet retired in 1984. She now spends her time painting and still giving medical advice to her friends.
But I still get those phone calls. "Can I pick your brain for a minute?"
Her advice for aspiring doctors?
Then you go for it. You know, I think with anything, if you want to be an artist, go for it. Try.
Because at 82 years old, Dr. Sayet says life is too short. In Fort Myers, Taylor Petras, Wink News.
Wow, that's awesome to see the history, and
Yeah.
she's obviously made such an impact too on our community.
Trailblazer, without a doubt, yes. He came over when there was an opportunity and made good on it, and,
Yeah.
and look at what's happened since then.
Awesome.
Fantastic.
Congrats to her.